In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to install WooCommerce on a WordPress website. To get started, go to the Plugins page and click Add Plugin, and then search for WooCommerce. And it's usually the first result. Then click Install Now. And then once it's installed, you do need to activate it. If you don't click Activate, WooCommerce is there and installed, but it's not turned on. So you won't be able to use it till you activate it. And then once you've clicked Activate, it starts a setup wizard. That makes it easy to get started. So first question is, are you already selling or not? This just customizes a little bit about how this setup wizard works. Why don't we just say I'm just starting? Then you'll enter the name of your business. And that name will display usually at the top of WordPress and some of the other areas. So that will be public facing, but you can always change it. And then they ask you what type of products or services do you sell. WooCommerce just uses this to understand how their software is being used. Then you can pick the state you're located in if you're within the US or your country, and then put in your email address. So the state will do some initial configuration for taxes and shipping and things like that. There's more fine tuning to be done with it, but that's the initial start. And then this is a way for WooCommerce to send you notifications. And you can opt into their email newsletter if you'd like. Now on this screen, WooCommerce wants to install a bunch of additional plugins. I usually uncheck all of these unless you know you're going to use them. You can always add them later, so if you're not sure right now, just uncheck everything. Some of these require some paid services, some of them are free, but if you install plugins that you don't use, it just adds additional load onto your website, which could make things slower. So only include what you need, and then click Continue. And from there, it takes you through a customization setup wizard, but at this point, you have WooCommerce installed. And stay tuned for future videos where we'll walk through how to start customizing your store, adding products, setting up payments, setting up sales tax. But if you go through all these steps, and then you can launch your store at the end. If you don't click to launch your store, the website and the products will not be available for people to view and purchase. So you do need to switch the store into live mode. If you have questions about this setup process or WooCommerce, leave me a comment below.